Okay guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to install the toilet handle that we purchased on Amazon. If you have kids, you want to make sure you purchase something with all around middle that's going to last forever. All right. Mine here, as you see, it got a plastic in there, so it's kind of broken because I have kids. So to install that, the first thing you want to do, you want to remove your toilet cover. Be very careful. This is breakable. Put that to the side. And then the second thing you want to do is shut off your water supply line right there. All right. You shut that off and then you flush your toilet pretty quick. All right. Then once you flush the toilet and wait till the toilet is completely empty out, then what you're going to do here, guys, bear with me. Hopefully let me install the camera in the way that you guys can see what is going on here. All right. So what we're going to do here is disconnect the chain from the toilet handle. So you want to make sure that you see which position, because you got three holes here, 1, 2, 3. So mine is in the center. All right. So that's how you want to do that, because for some reason you might pay a professional plumber and just watch the same exact way that they did the installment. Okay, so you're going to take this off. Once you disconnect that, you let that go. All right, then the next thing we're going to do here is untie this right here. So you're going to need a plier, but in my case this is really not too tight, so I'm going to take that out. As you see, it's broken. So if you go into Amazon to buy one, like I said, you've had kids, make sure you buy the one with the middle right there. All right, guys. So we're gonna take the piece off, throw it away. All right, now we're gonna get to the new set, and let's put the camera down here a little quick again. And bear with me, video quality might not be good, but I'm just showing you guys exactly what to do here. So what we're gonna do next, guys, is to untie take the little screw off. All right. So I'm gonna pause that session and then take that screw a little quick to save time. Okay guys, I removed the screw as you see here. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is to just slide this right in the hole right there. As you see, just like that. All right, just like this, you slide it in, just like that, just like that, and then push it right in there, just like that. All right. So let me put the camera in the same position here again, and then make sure that you guys see what is going on there. Okay. So watch this carefully. So now I got the nuts over here. I'm gonna feed it through the little middle right here. Feed it through there, as you see right there. Then I'm gonna tie this together and come on this way. Come on towards me. Make sure it's in properly. And you might need a little bit of plier, okay, guys? As you see right here, I got the little plier. If you don't have a plier, you can just tie it just like this and leave it and let it go. But with the plier, it will gonna hold that in place so it won't come off, okay? So now we have that little secure right there. That's good. That's all we need right there. You see, it's not going anywhere. So what we're gonna do next, guys, is to grab the chain. You see that chain right there? Do not do any adjustment because it's already been adjusted by the previous plumber, whatever we call that, okay? So as I mentioned earlier, you have to remember the hole that you took that. Oh, sorry guys. Bear with me here. You have to remember the hole that you disconnect the chain from. So like I said, mine was in the middle section there. So that's what I'm gonna put there, because you don't want to put that in a different spot. All right, as you see, like I said, you got 1, 2, 3 holes. So I put that right there, and that's all you have to do. Once you're done there, you're gonna go back down here and then open your water and then let your toilet fills up. As you see, my toilet is filling up, and we're gonna wait till it's filled up and do our flush pretty quick. So once that fills up, we're gonna flush that a little quick. So I'm gonna pause that to save some time here. All right, it's almost fills up. A little bit more. Once this fills up, it's gonna shut off like it normally do. Once the tank is fills up, it's gonna shut off. All right. There we go. So now let's open the toilet and do our fresh flush. So now we're gonna flush there. You see that? Beautiful. All right, that's it. That's all you do, guys. Now we're done. So what we're gonna do here next is to put back our toilet cover. All right, just the same way you took it out, the same way you're gonna put it back on. Voila, we have a brand new toilet running toilet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, stay safe, and then God bless you all.